Here's Cold Wind Blows by Eminem. Just don't change. It's better than when they're the same. About the whole world knows your name. No one knows. You can stage it. You can just see, just spit your game. Whoa, whoa. So it'd be difficult to explain. That's why you came back again. You hate the fate, love the game. Cold as ice, you remain. Fuck 'em all, tell 'em all. Eat shit. Here we go again. Excuse me. Here we go, baby. Here we go. You can get the dick, just call me the ball sack. I'm nuts, Michael Vick in this bitch. Don't fall back, you must. Fuck your worms, you never seen a suck a puppy. Fucking suck duck, I'm a one duck sick. Mommy and my knuckles, gobble 'em up, trick, yummy. Bitch, you don't fucking think that I know that you suck dick, dummy. You'll get the bucket, full of the love shit, honey. Yeah, laugh when I call you a slut. It's funny, shorty dance while I diss it to the beat. Fuck the world, you don't listen to him anyway. Yeah, suck a nerve, suck a motherfucker. Might as well my lips pucker like Elton John, cause I'm just a mean cocksucker. This shit is on, cause you just went and pissed me off. Now I'm shitting and pissing on everybody. Give a fuck if it's right or wrong. So fuck the Buddha, light a bomb, but take a look at Mariah next time. Inspire you to write a song, come on. Oh, 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 as you know, as a gold wind. Love and it's cold and it's 20 feet. S-E-Y, man, I just don't. No, 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 no. Blow, 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 oh, oh. Fuck it, I'm a loose cannon. Bruce Banner's back in the booth. Y'all are sitting ducks, I'm the only goose standing. I set the world on fire. Piss on and put it out. Stick my dick in a syrup, but I'm not fucking around. Motherfucker, I'll show you pussy footing. I'll kick a bitch in the cunt till the queef and sounds like a motherfucking whoopee cushion. Who the fuck is you pushing? You must have mistook me for some soft, looking for some nuclear bosom. For a fucking hater push me. I told you ain't no way to fucking shush me. Call me a faggot cause I hate a pussy. Man the fuck up, sissy G's up, all your gardeners freeze up. Put your hose down. Nah, I can't, goddammit. It rap is a landfill. Drop the anvil. These are shoes that you can't fill. Shit that day that happens and the world will stop sinning and Michael J. Fox will come to a standstill. During an earthquake, you're in your fake, cause you're fake. Ow, what the fuck, that hurt. Wait, ow, what the fuck, I just got struck by lightning. Alright then, I quit, gotta give up. Call the evil the men do. Lord forgive me for my pen do. And just stand the wind blew and I said, oh, 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 oh. As you out as a cold wind blows and it tolls and it's 20 feet now. As in my man, I just don't. No, 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 no. I'm as cold as a cold wind. Blow, 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 blow. How long will I be this way? Shit until my day, till I hang up the mic and it's time for me to say so long then till I drop the fucking bombs like I missed the pass when I went long. If you don't like it, you can kiss my ass in a lint thong. Now sing along, so like this, like that, learn the words to the song. Oh bitch don't like that, homie, I'll be nice to the women when Aquaman drowns and the human torch starts swimming. Man, I'm a cold soul, I'm a roll so low, so don't compare me to the other bums over there. It's like apples to oranges, peaches to plum. Yeah, I'm an nanny pussy, cut off the grapes and grow up hair. But I swear you try to diss me, I saw to you. I put that on everything like everyone does with auto-tune. The last thing you wanna do is have me spat a rhyme. And I say I was writing this and I thought of you. Oh, 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 as a cold wind blow and it's cold and it's 20 feet now. Ask you why, man, I just don't. No, 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 no. Oh, I'm as cold as a cold wind. Blow, 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 blow. I don't know what caused. I don't know what caused me to be this way. I don't know, but I'll probably be this way till my dying day. I don't know why I'm so cold. Mean things I don't mean to say. I guess it's how you made me.